Here's interesting app I want to share with you. It's called Magnet Dating Game and Chat. It's recently searched in the top charts in social networking. It entered like top 200 apps, and I think there is some super interesting concept in this app which you should check out, especially if you're looking for some alternative dating apps. Because like Tinder doesn't work for everyone, it's not a universal solution. Some people like Tinder, some people hate Tinder, or some other major dating apps like Bumble, Badoo, or stuff like that. Some people just can't find any success on these apps. So therefore, like there are always some new apps, and I think this is a really good approach with Magnet app. So it says Magnet date with your heart, create an avatar and start the game. So this app uses avatars for dating. And it can be really interesting approach because, a lot of people are kind of tired of, showing your real photos, either on Instagram, like other social medias, and just showing this perfectionist kind of like lifestyle, like, or some luxury lifestyle, editing your photos, making some ideal selfies which are non-realistic, and like some people, because of this, they're shied away, or they find it difficult to start conversations, especially with like introvert people. So this app just uses completely another approach. You just upload your photo, and then your photo becomes like an avatar, and then you just start chatting just with your avatar, and you decide if you want to chat further if your conversation flow is really good. So you don't see the real image, you just start chatting, and after like sending 5 messages, there is like a limit, you feel there is some like good conversations, then you unlock a real photo. And even after that, if you want to continue chatting, you continue chatting, then you can go for a date and stuff like that. So that's how it looks like. So you can see your real photo only after the real conversation. So conversation first. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So interesting approach. While on Tinder the first impression is visual, here the first impression is just a very like cartoonish avatar, and then your like messages are important, and only that you can discover real photo. So just interesting approach. I don't know if you like it or not, but maybe it will work for some people. If this app says a millisecond photo of someone's life can tell you if two are perfect fit. But what if there was another more exciting way to find your perfect partner? Magnet was designed as a solution to monotonous swipe dating. It's your social discovery game where personality comes first and looks come right after. Magnet is your place for fun. Meet people everywhere, vibe with like-minded individuals, and make cool new friends. Magnet is your chance to chat before you mindlessly swipe left on each other's photos. Find a personality that fits, share your interests, and chat fantastic. So yeah, take your best selfie to generate your cartoon avatar. Add your details, name, location, who you want to find. Select 3 of your top interests. Start chatting. After each chat, choose bump or pass. A mutual bump unlocks your photos. So bump basically means like. Upgrade to boost your magnetic force. View 5 extra matches per day. Boost your visibility. Skip waiting for responses. Reverse your past. So you can also upgrade, and we will go through that. So let's just open the app. So here's the app. It looks like Tinder. I already created an account. You can easily do it, but let's just take a look. So to create an account, you just need to upload your photo. So here's my photo. And after that, I got this avatar, which just got generated. So here's how it looks like. Okay, I must say maybe avatar is not like precisely close, but I was in headphones, so it recognized headphones, it recognized kind of some beard elements. Yeah, some like general aspects of your face, of your image are recognized, but it is not precisely close, I must say. So it's a bit different than you would have in real life. So then, of course, you can change your avatar. Just choose another photo from the gallery, and it should avatar something different. Then while you create your account, you have all these filters. You have your location. You can always change your location here. and then you can adjust different colors to change your avatar. So that's what you can do as well. Yeah, so after that, basically your profile is ready, and yeah, you can start swiping. So here is like your home page. So if you're filtering, you're looking for men or for women, here's what you have. And then you can just swipe, and then you can see all your interests, your tags, you can see some like replies and all of that to some questions. So it's very like, generalistic. You are much more focused not just on the visual, but on some like common topics, on some replies, on some like life situations, and it helps you to analyze more like a personality, not just the photo. And then you can just tap chat, and it's free to chat. Like, so you can send a message. Of course, if there is something inappropriate, you can block and report and stuff like that. But it's free to message. You don't even know the person. You don't know is it the real person or stuff like that. And then you just have your messages. And then here you can see some other messages. And the idea is that you have some number of limited messages. Like I think it's 5 messages. And then you can select either pass or bump, but it's just on you don't have access to any photos, any videos, just like interests, some answers to questions, and your conversation. And after 5 messages you decide that the conversation is boring, there is no spark, then you just like swipe left and like just pass. If you think there is some spark, there is some interesting conversation, you just choose bump or like, and then other person chooses that, and then your real photo is being revealed. So that's like a bit different way from Tinder. I don't know if a lot of people will like it, but at least it's worth a try. If you don't like Tinder, why not? So try this avatar dating app. I know maybe a lot of people think that avatar is a bit weird, but I think maybe it's the future, with all this metaverse, like a lot of social apps like Facebook, everyone is just focusing on metaverse and all of this like avatar creation, and teenagers and Gen Z really like this avatar dating approach, where you don't need to show off your real pictures. And a lot of people are actually quite stressed about their real pictures, because on Tinder you need to make sure that your photo is perfect. Some people can spend a lot of time and get some professional photographs to make that look really, really amazing. Because the attention span is half of a second, on Tinder, just people swiping left or right, and you can just miss someone with who you could have real nice and deep conversations. While on this app, you still have a chance to explore conversations first. And then discard the real photo. So it's kind of vice versa. No, it's inverse Tinder, something like that. Then you have all these bolts. So if you want to send more messages, you need to get these bolt packs. That's how it called them. So you can get 40 bolts for $11.99. So you can try that. And then of course you can also upgrade. You can get 1 month $19.99, 3 months $29.99, 12 months $71.99. So you can get that, and then you can just subscribe. And there are some power features, so you can have boosted visibility, you can have 5 extra matches per day, skip waiting for responses, reverse your passes, power to refresh matches, 45 free monthly boost, daily gift of 10 volts, see if your messages were read, so basically read receipts. So you have that. Then there is customer care, so you can email support. If there are any issues, you can just email them or ask any other questions, so that's good. There is also an option if you go to settings, in the bottom you have an option to delete your account in case you're not happy or something. So that's good. Or you just want to delete your data. Then you can just enable sounds and stuff like that. And yeah, so easy, simple settings. To change avatar, you just need to upload different photo. That's about it. So that's the app. To get 5 extra matches per day, you need to upgrade. So that's that. That's the app. Interesting approach. I think this app entered top 200 social media apps because there is definitely something to this technology. Of course, I still think that for most people, like visual aspect is much more important. In dating apps, people still want to see real photos. But if you think that's not kind of your personality and you first want to experience some like brief chat to understand if you can be chatting more with that person, and like visual aspect, pictures are a bit less important for you, then definitely give a try to this app. I also must say that there is still not like a huge amount of people on this app. So if you are living in a smaller country somewhere, you won't have a huge user base. So probably only if you live somewhere in big US city, it will work out. But and there are some here say like it's a really cool idea, but image recognition pretty garbage. As far as I can tell, there is no way to manually edit your avatar. If there is, I will delete this and my every picture has translated to feminine haircuts and makeup. So yeah, some people say that this app is filled of bots. Some people say enjoyable, excited, interesting, entertaining concept. So that's what I'm also thinking about this app. That it says, but some people write that you can't chat more than 10 messages before having to spend real money to continue chatting. So yeah, some people are suspecting that this app is actually full of bots and these are not real people. So that can be, that's a legitimate concern because, there are so many AI chatting apps like Chai app, like Jam Souls or something, and it's a new trend that you can just chat with bots and with these avatars. Of course, you can't identify if it's a real person or not. And then, of course, even if the real photo is revealed, you can generate a real photo with AI. I don't know. Maybe it's a legitimate concern, and you need to chat and just try to differentiate if it's a real chat. But I can't really tell. Like with modern software, like it's so easy to generate these AI chats, and you can't really differentiate that. If for some lonely people, if they want to chat more and they're charged, it's a legitimate concern. So that's that. I think the concept is good, but let's just see if this concern about a lot of AI bots in this app is legitimate and if it's a real thing or no. As you can see, nothing but bots. So that's that. What do you think? What's your experience? Thank you for watching. Hope it helps some people. Subscribe to this channel, put some likes so more people can discover this video, and see you in the next videos.